Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if you have any strikes or violations on your TikTok account, and how to appeal or resolve them if needed. It's simple, so let's jump right in. First, open up the TikTok app. The first place you want to check is your inbox, which you'll find at the bottom of the screen. If TikTok has flagged your account or issued a strike, you'll often see it show up as a system notification in this section. Scroll through your notifications carefully. It might appear under Updates or System Alerts. Now, if you don't see anything in your inbox, there's another place you can check. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll down to find the Support section. Tap on Safety Center, and then tap on Account Status. This is where TikTok shows any current violations, strikes, or account issues. If your account is in good standing, it will say something like, "Thank you for following the community guidelines." But if there's a strike or violation, it will be listed here, and you'll have the option to appeal it directly. You can also go back and tap on Report Records. This section shows reports you've made against other accounts, as well as any action TikTok has taken. If you've reported someone or been reported, it'll show up in this section as well. So between the inbox, the account status, and the report records, you'll be able to see any warnings, strikes, or content issues tied to your account, and what steps you can take to fix them. Hope this helps. If it did, hit that like and subscribe button. It really supports the channel. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.